What would you say is some advice for people that are taking challenges that are probably like haven't gotten a payout, right? They haven't achieved a payout or haven't passed. What is some advice for them on how they can become more successful with it?
Patience. Definitely a lot of patience. Not FOMOing into trades. Rules, journaling. The rules are a big thing. You know, write down the rules and put them next to your computer or wherever you're mostly at, and constantly just go through them. I think those are the biggest things that if I had to start over or tell somebody, just slow down. It's not an overnight thing. Mm-hmm. It's not like, you know, buying a lottery ticket. Again, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So it'll take time. And with a 100K account or 300K account, those are the numbers you could be getting back for each trade is, you know, exponential. You can make a month's salary in, you know, 2 hours if you wanted to.
What are some rules that you follow, right? What are some rules that you do?
So my rules, I mean, again, so I'm just on the daily and the 4 hour. So mine is, you know, if it doesn't retest, don't take the trade, even though it's going the way I predicted. Again, so my rule is if it doesn't
if you're looking at the 4, that takes a lot of time to potentially retest, right?
Yep. So I just set alarms. It's cool. It's like Alex G set and forget. Mm-hmm. I set the alarm, hit my buy limit, I'll check it. I'm like, okay, I'm in the trade. And then I'll set 2 more alarms, either in my stop loss or in my break-even point. Mm-hmm. And then I just go about my day. Less is more.
I like that. It sounds like you learned some hard lessons to get to that viewpoint.
Yes. A lot of failing.
Yeah. But now you're very solid.
Yes.
In that regards. Yeah. So I'm curious, in terms of there's that impulse, right? And then there's a correction. Mm-hmm. Do you know what the average time it takes for you to potentially enter the trade from the point at which you see that kind of first signal for you?
It could be anywhere from, 8 hours to a day. And then usually I'm holding the trade for 1 to 3 to 4 days. Wednesday swaps are kind of killer.
Yeah, that's going to get you big.
If I get into a trade on Tuesday, then I'm hoping I'm in good enough profit to get through
it. You're like, here comes the hurricane.
Yeah. But usually, and I don't worry about news a lot. I have the swing account.
Okay.
So that's been nice, not having to always check Forex Factory, always having to close out my trade potentially because I have a red folder coming up. Mm-hmm. Now with my rapid swing account, usually the news goes in my favor, which is nice. So it pushes it the right way.
Well, we've always said, at least in Forex League, that news accelerates the trend.
It's like a catalyst.
So if you're just trading the higher time frame trend, most likely news is going to accelerate your position. Mm-hmm. If you're scalping, news can obviously fuck you over pretty bad. So you originally had purchased Forex League, right? And it sounds like you purchased a lot of courses.
I did. Yeah. I purchased a lot of courses. I was trying to find that perfect strategy. Mm-hmm. I was through, Forex League. I don't know how I came across you guys. I really don't. But
just the Instagram algo.
Yeah.
Took you for a ride.
I think I found it through some social media post, and it caught me in a promotion or something. I'm
probably.
Like, okay.
That's how
I don't think
goes.
I even watched the course.
Yep.
I was doing it for the perks.
Yep. Those 10K accounts.
Yes.
Yeah.
The
you got lucky
accounts.
on that one.
Yep. Lifetime.
Yeah. For anyone that doesn't know, so Forex League, once upon a time, we did this partnership with Funded Trader. Obviously I own both. So we just did, anyone that purchased the Forex League course gets a free 10K challenge per month. Unheard of situation, right? We had to stop it. Yeah. But yeah, so at one point there was like 300 people that purchased the course over many months that ended up getting 10K accounts. They still get 10K accounts every month.
If I wanted to, yeah.
Yeah, if you wanted to go ahead and redeem it. And yeah, like I was telling you at dinner, there's some dude the other day that got like a 4K payout from his 10K account.
Just out of nowhere.
Yeah, I'm like, wow, that's really amazing. But
so something to fall back on.
So if you just every month just do it, for 10 months and you look back, you have 100K.
Yeah, merge them all.
Man, so
thank you for that.
So Forex League, so it sounds like Swaggy, you got his course?
Yep. I bought like maybe one of his courses. He's got a slew of them, But
Yeah, the course wizard.
yes.
Yep.
Alex G's.
Yep.
I'm in his group. Mad Charts.